Once you've completed an export and sync flow, you can further customize what information is sent between Trello and Google Sheets with Unito. Because export and sync doesn't move custom Trello fields by default, you might want to start there. This is what we'll cover in this video. If you already know what the name of a custom field in Trello is, start by creating a new column in your Google Sheet with the same name. I'll be adding a column for the priority field in Trello. Be sure to create that column within the two we've added in, Unito ID and last modified. We don't sync data outside of them. To get this data from Trello, you'll need to use Unito's standalone platform. You can get there by going to unito.io and signing in with the information you provided already. Or activate the power-up again from Trello and click Dashboard, which is what I'll do. You will then see the corresponding flow you created via export and sync, which can now be customized. Click Edit. To include custom fields in your spreadsheet, head to the Field Mapping step, which refers to the pieces of information contained within each card, like titles and due dates that get synced between tools. Add that custom field from Trello and you'll see the corresponding column now in Google Sheets. On the left-hand side, I'm selecting the custom field in Trello. And on the right, I'm selecting the column that I created earlier in Google Sheets. These two arrows mean that you can change the data from either tool and it will update in both. Save for either only new cards or all historical cards and rows, which is what I'm going to choose. Now, head back to your spreadsheet. As you can see, that data for priority has already started to sync over. With all the data you need in your spreadsheet now, and Unito keeping it up to date automatically, you can now share it with stakeholders so they know where they can track progress. You can also use the charts, filters, and pivot tables within Google Sheets to visualize your data.